In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best smart water bottles in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. This water bottle is one of the durable double-wall vacuum insulated ones. Hydro Flask standard mouth water bottle is reinvented in the lightweight Trail series bottles by using the most iconic technology to create a 25-liter stainless steel design. Its temperature shield double-wall vacuum insulation has a thinner design while maintaining temperature retention. It also includes a lightweight flex cap, and it has an insulated and leak-proof design. The perforated strap and aluminum pivots maximize weight loss. It comes in 24 ounces and 32 ounces, so there are 2 sizes to choose from, and it is the best choice for hikers and mountaineers. Hydro Flask insulated water bottle is dishwasher safe, slip-free powder coating won't sweat. Its metal water bottles keep the coldest drinks, icy cold, and hot drinks piping hot for hours, and the reusable water bottle is BPA-free, phthalate-free, and made of stainless steel that also fits car cup holders. These smart water bottles come with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. Number 4. The LARQ bottle doesn't track your hydration through an app, but it is smart in the way it prepares it for drinking. LARQ utilizes UVC light technology to clean out bacteria that sticks around in between washes. Through the pandemic, UVC light sanitization systems have been on the rise because of how efficient they are. This bottle sanitizes the entire inside, which can sometimes be a tricky task, even when hand scrubbing. All you have to do is push a button for a 60-second light bath. And when it realizes you aren't using it regularly, it self-cleans every 2 hours for the purest possible water. The double insulation version is a bit heavy, but it will keep your liquids hot or cold for an entire day. If you're looking for a lighter option without the insulation, opt for the LARQ movement. Clean freaks, you're going to love this. Number 3. The Hydrit Spark 3 is hands down one of the most popular smart water bottle available today. It's composed of BPA-free Triton plastic with a silicone sleeve that offers a lightweight, condensation-free feel. Its glowing feature is the LED Smart Sensor Stick, which lights up to notify you to sip. When you connect it with the Bluetooth-enabled Hydrit Spark app, the water bottle can track how much water you drink over time to ensure proper hydration. The app also uses personal information like your weight, height, and even how active you are to customize goals for your daily water intake. Plus, you can use this water bottle to compete with friends over hydration trophies. Also impressive, the Hydrit Spark 3 comes with a tracking feature that can sync your activity to locate a misplaced bottle. The Hydrit Spark 3 comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can easily contact customer service if you run into any issues. Number 2. Like the taste of tap water? This filter-free, stainless steel bottle by Crazy Cap has a sterilizing cap that's equipped with a quartz lens and built-in LED that has a 10-year lifespan, so you don't need to buy any extra accessories. It emits UVC light, the same technology that's used in water treatment plants and by medical professionals, to improve your water's flavor and eliminate 99.99% of bacteria, mold, and viruses, and the cap can be used to sanitize other things like surfaces and utensils. The lid is powered by a lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for about 7 days and promises up to 500,000 treatments. We really like that this smart water bottle has a self-cleaning mechanism that turns on automatically every 4 hours, but you can also activate the purification process manually by tapping the touchpad. We also love that this 17-ounce capacity water bottle's vacuum-insulated design keeps liquids hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. Another bonus is that the cap measures 34 millimeters in diameter, so it can be used on other bottles. The water bottle also comes with an extra silicone gasket for the lid seal and cleaning wipes for the touchpad. Number 1. The Hydrant Spark was one of the first smart connected water bottles on the market. And now, it has its Pro model. This baby tracks your water intake and literally lights up to remind you to drink up. It syncs via Bluetooth to the Hydrant Spark app, Fitbit, Apple Health, and more. It's even worthy enough to be sold at the Apple Store. The advanced technology calculates and adjusts personal hydration goals based on your body and activity level. It has smart sensors that record how much you drink, instantly syncing it to your phone for that connected life. One of our favorite features comes from location tracking. Just like Find My iPhone, you can find my water bottle and never lose it again. The lid is dishwasher safe, while the body and sensor are hand washable. One single charge lasts up to 4 months. This water bottle has it all. Soon your body will be trained to sip more often throughout the day, making the $60 ticket well worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.